Good day, everyone. And today I just want to tell you about the book entitled Mathematics of Disruption that I wrote. It's a book about AI in South Africa and how we can unlock value, even with some of the constraints of compute, server, data sets, and stuff like that. We could use mathematics to catch up with the rest of the world. So basically, it's a South African story about AI, fragility, and the power of math. So this is where mathematics meets imagination, basically. So the book is available for free on the Akalytica page. You can just you can just search for Mathematics of Disruption, and it will take you to the Akalytica page. And there you will be able to download it. So this book is written for the curious mind, whether you're a mathematician, policymaker, entrepreneur, or just an enthusiast. And I've fashioned it in such a way that we have four characters who are literally humanizing mathematics through dialogue. So they're talking about really complex maths, but in a very simplified manner. So I had to strike a balance in terms of mathematical rigor and understanding and simplicity for the sake of communication. So, I mean, we covered so many topics from the non-determinism, where if when you search for something on ChatGPT, for example, if you search the same thing 10 times, you might actually get 10 different answers. So that, as a result of the floating point fragility, all the way to quantum computing and other topics. So basically, we're offering the book for free. You can just download the PDF here on this page. You can also get you can also buy a coffee for the author. So this is just to say thanks. It's not obligatory, but if you feel it's valuable, then please do support our work by buying a coffee. So now to download the ebook, you just click on download ebook, and then you'll see the book here. You can download it straight, or if you want, you can view it online. So I'm just going to zoom in so that you can see. Okay, so basically I'm going to go to the characters. Those are the ones I'm curious about. Okay, before I go there, so these are the topics that are there in terms of contents. So we're looking at floating point fragility, optimization, then obviously from a meaning and understanding perspective, looking at correlation versus causality, and does AI actually understand? Does it understand meaning and nuances? Those kind of things. And intelligence. What does intelligence mean according to theories from information theory, and then and other topics that we're looking at. But I think the ninth part is where we're saying, okay, so for South Africa's future, how can we actually play in this AI revolution, even if we have constraints like compute, data sets, and other infrastructure in constraints. But how can we play? How can we use mathematics in order to leapfrog and move forward and get value from AI? So if you look at the characters that are there are four of them. The first one is Thandiwe. She's a curious graduate student at Wits University, and her role is just that she's asking questions, profound questions, simple but profound. And then Sipho works for a fintech company, and he's in industry, and I mean his frustrations from industry have actually made him very skeptical, but his skepticism actually helps in interrogating some of the concepts that are there, because they're discussing really complicated mathematical concepts, but in a very simple way that is digestible to anyone. Anyone can read the book. And then there's Professor Khumalo, who is the one who is tying everything together, because he's literally the fountain of knowledge, and guiding the conversation through questions and answers, and and also points of clarification. He's the one who's playing that role. Then we have the machine. Now with the machine, this is the AI itself, and it's also in a comedic type way, reminding us of the limitations of mathematics almost in a cryptic parable type manner. So the AI has got a character of its own, and I hope that it'll be an easy read for you. Any feedback would be great. And if you do enjoy the book and you find it valuable, please buy us a coffee. And you can get more information about the book. You can share with friends. You can share the QR code, or you can share on your favorite social media platform. And that's it. So thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it.